Welcome to Artificial Dreamscapes, your doorway to AI's imagination. Behold, a vision of tranquility and serenity. Through Kaiber's meticulous strokes, a wave emerges, gracefully rippling across the night sky. Each detail, meticulously crafted in three-dimensional splendor, immerses you in a dreamscape where nature and cosmos coalesce in harmony. Using the command in Kaiber, draw a computer-generated image of a wave in the night sky with stars in the sky, and a black background in a 3D rendering to create this video accompanied by ambient music generated by Soundraw. Welcome to a world of celestial beauty and ambient serenity. Welcome to the captivating fusion of Kaiber's algorithmic artistry and the atmospheric ambient music from Soundraw. Prepare to drift away on a wave of tranquility and discover the cosmic harmony within.